Well, there you go, guys. So we showed you guys exactly what happens if you don't have one of these braces. You'll see a lot of movement in the firewall that causes an indirect and soft pedal if you really get on it hard. So after installing this, you saw that it helps to maintain the position of the brake master cylinder, and in doing so, it gives you a very direct, firm, and linear pedal feel. So we encourage everybody to get one of these. It does not matter if you're tracking your car. If you do like a good pedal, you should get one. Please check out our website. It's not very expensive. We hope you found this informative. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.